Hey guys, this is John with WalkThroughCode. So in this video, we are going to start building our React application, just our simple to-do, one action, one reducer, uh, simple application. So in the last video, I did kind of an overview about what Redux was and kind of how I think about it. But in this particular, the rest of the series, we're going to go through it step by step by step. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to just outline things a little bit as to how this is all going to get structured. Generally speaking, you will have, and this is just one way to do it. There are many ways to do it. So you're going to have an actions folder. You're going to have a reducers folder. And this is really based on opinion. However, some people like to have a store folder. I don't do it that way, but it's totally fine if you do. I just create a file called store.js because I just have some stuff in there, and I don't really ever go back to it, so I don't feel the need to overcomplicate it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the actions folder, and we're going to create a new file called todos.actions.js. And what this is doing is this is our JavaScript file that's going to be where our actions related to the to-dos are located. If we go back and we look at the lifecycle diagram here, we see kind of an outline of more or less what it should look like. That's probably pretty small for you guys. Yeah, that might be a little better. Whoa, that's big. Maybe we'll try that. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to define the variable with the type associated. So let's say export const. We need this to export because we need it to be available for us to use inside of the component where that submit button is located, because we need it to be able to fire this particular function. So we're going to say export const add to do. For the record, this itself is not a function. This is just the string that has the type. But here is the function. So we're going to say export const add new to do. This is going to be an arrow function that will take new to do. And then we're going to go in here, we're going to say return, and we're going to return an object with a type of add to do. So here's what I'm talking about with the IntelliSense and things like that, making it easier. If we say add to do like this, it shows us all of the possible things that it could be. And this forces, or it gives us the ability to not misspell things. It's just a real nice additive to it. And it also, because we have to reuse these in the reducer, it just makes it that much easier if we export them. Then our payload is going to be, make this just a little bigger. Our payload is going to be the actual new to-do that we pass into this function when we're calling it. Okay, so this is working for now. We are just, sorry, I just got distracted. I realized I didn't mention that this was a Create React app. I didn't add or change anything. I just added the actions, reducers, and store. That's all I've done thus far. And then it's startup. I'm assuming that you guys know how to use this. If you don't, I have a video getting started for the intro to React. I'll link that down below. But you'll want to, if you don't know how to generate a React app, this is how I did it. Okay. So that's really it for this video. I really want to make this as granular as possible. So I'm gonna go on to the next video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please put any comments or questions or anything in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe. That way you know when I'm releasing new content, especially the rest of this series. Yeah, and thanks so much.